We are at the river walkway at Seaside, Oregon, and down like this right there are some shops, and there are some shops along the walkway near here that are open during the summer months when more tourists go through here. And here people could rent out boats. And there's more things over here. And those are the beautiful bushes that are in bloom. And here is Chris over here, and there is more of the river on across the street, but I think the walkway stops here, and I am grateful to have this opportunity here. Thank you.